If GIMP is giving you a graphics error, showing black canvas artifacts, or making your selection tools look like the image is melting into the corner, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you the easiest fixes step by step. This problem is common on Windows, especially when using selection tools like Lasso, Marquee, or Circular Select, and the good news is that it can usually be fixed without reinstalling GIMP. Before we start, if this guide helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick software fixes just like this. It really helps the channel, and it keeps you updated with more tutorials when you need them. Alright, let's get into the first fix. Open GIMP, then go up to Edit, choose Preferences, then go to Image Windows and click Appearance. Here you'll see options for normal mode and full screen mode. Under both of those, uncheck Show Selection. This is one of the most effective fixes for the black pixel or melting canvas bug because the issue is often caused by the Windows graphics driver struggling to render the selection outline, also known as the marching ants effect. After turning that off, close and reopen GIMP to test it. If the canvas now behaves normally, then you've confirmed the problem was tied to graphics rendering. If the issue still shows up, the next step is to update your graphics drivers. This is very important because outdated or broken drivers from AMD, Intel, or NVIDIA can cause display glitches inside GIMP and other creative software too. To update your drivers, go directly to your graphics card manufacturer's website and download the latest driver for your system. If you're on a laptop, make sure you know whether your system uses integrated graphics, dedicated graphics, or both. Install the latest version, restart your computer, and then test GIMP again. In many cases, this alone clears up the selection tool canvas glitch. Now let's move to the second fix, which is clearing the app data cache. If GIMP was upgraded from an older version, or if it was closed unexpectedly, corrupted configuration files can cause strange interface problems, broken layouts, or graphics issues when the app loads. The good news is that GIMP can safely rebuild these files for you. On your keyboard, press Windows key plus R to open the run box. Then type %appdata %/GIMP and press enter. This will open GIMP's application data folder. If you're using GIMP 2.10, open the 2.10 folder. If you're testing a newer architecture or GIMP 3.0, look for the 3.0 folder instead. Inside that folder, delete the Sessionrc file. This resets the window layout and helps fix interface bugs caused by corrupted sessions. Then delete the Tool Options folder as well. This clears Save Tool and brush-related settings that may be causing display problems. Don't worry, GIMP will recreate these files the next time you open the program. Now restart GIMP and check whether the error is gone. In most cases, after clearing the cache and updating graphics drivers, the canvas should load normally again, selection tools should behave properly, and the black artifact issue should disappear. If you're still having trouble after these steps, one last thing to check is whether your Windows graphics driver is fully up to date and whether any third-party display settings or overlays are interfering with GIMP. But for most users, turning off show selection and clearing the app data cache solves the problem fast. If this video helped you fix your GIMP graphics error, please hit like, subscribe, and comment below if you want more GIMP troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.